Wow! It's a vending machine of career figures. I want to buy it! I want to buy it! Wow! There are a lot of professions. I am so excited. Captain! These are my collection of career figures. Let's get to know Captain. Let's put it together. Ship. Lighthouse. Life buoy. The captain can steer the ship and sail freely on the ocean. Let's experience it together. The captain can steer the ship and sail freely on the ocean. Hello, I am Captain Kiki. Please choose a ship for me. Cruise ship. Let's go, little captain. Captain Kiki, the Princess Mermaid is captured by the octopus. Can you find them? I'll find the Princess Mermaid. Follow the map to find the octopus and the Princess Mermaid. The Princess Mermaid is waiting for us. Keep going. Go! The destination is in sight. Here comes the pirate. Let's defeat him.
I will get you. I will be back.
You have defeated the pirate. Great job. The destination is right ahead. Let's keep going. Keep sailing. Let's go. Help! Man overboard! Let's save them! Help! Help! Throw the life buoys to save them!
Captain Kiki, all our stuffs fell into the water. Can you help us find them?
No problem. Let's get everyone's stuff back. Aw, it's rubbish. We need to protect the marine environment and don't litter. Aw, it's rubbish. We need to protect the marine environment and don't litter.
Thank you, Captain Kiki.
The sea fog here is thick. Be careful. Ah, there are so many bats. Let's get rid of them.
You are outside the foggy area safely.
The Princess Mermaid is waiting for us.
Captain Kiki, we failed to catch any fish. Can you help us? No problem. Help me find these fish. Help me find these fish. Here are fish for you. Thank you, Captain Kiki. Keep sailing. Let's go. This is the service station. Steer your ship inside and have it checked. Oh no! The cruise ship is out of gas! First, remove the lid of the oil outlet. Slide the oil pipeline. Let's fill it up. Our ship has been repaired.
The Princess Mermaid is waiting for us. Keep going.
The Princess Mermaid is on that island.
The Princess Mermaid is right here. We need to unlock this coded lock before entering.
Slide the coded lock to find the correct shape.
Welcome, Captain Kiki. Mr. Octopus wants to make friends with us. What do you think of it? Really?
That's right. Let's be friends and enjoy delicious food together.
Okay. I like sailing on the sea. It allows me to help a lot of people.